Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. Hope all are well. Today topics photosynthesis. How can define photosynthesis? This is the seventh standard uh, topics and we will discuss about photosynthesis. Before I start this topic, please subscribe, like and more share and press red button, and then we will come up in the topics and discuss about photosynthesis. Do you know children, photosynthesis is a food making process in plants. Photosynthesis is a food making process in the plant. Photosynthesis is a food making process in plant. Simple substance in plants from simple substance like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. So during photosynthesis required some raw materials, water and minerals. Carbon dioxide comes from the air and sunlight comes from the sun. Here this is a diagram. Here this is a diagram of photosynthesis. You can draw in your notebook, easily draw. I had already draw here. Light energy, carbon dioxide, oxygen, chlorophyll in leaf, and water and mineral. Light energy comes from the sun, chlorophyll present in the leaves, and carbon dioxide comes from the air, and waters and minerals. The roots of plants absorb waters and minerals from the soil. And this process, oxygen release and carbohydrate form as a food. And carbohydrate converted into starch, and starch present in the store in the leaves, stem, and as well as all parts of the plant as a food. And then animal used by this food. So we will come about topic and you can easily note down photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a food making process in the plant from simple substance like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. During this process, oxygen is released during photosynthesis. This diagram showing oxygen is released. During photosynthesis process, oxygen is released. The process of photosynthesis can be represented as the process by which green plants make their own food. The photosynthesis process occurs in green leaves. Green leaves and chlorophyll present in the green leaves. Chlorophyll is a green pigment and photosynthesis occurs in green leaf presence of sunlight. The process by which green plants make their own food like glucose from water and carbon dioxide in the presence of light. Chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. You can easily draw here this diagram and note down this content. How can define photosynthesis? The process by which green plants make their own food like glucose from water and carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So we can revise the process by which green plants make their own food by green plant presence of water, carbon dioxide, and use of solar energy or sunlight, and chlorophyll is present in green leaf is called photosynthesis. So you can easily note down in your notebook and come to the point. The process of photosynthesis can be represented here. Some points define this process very easily. You can note down and easily see in this topics. The process of photosynthesis take place in the green leaves of a plant. Do you know, children? The photosynthesis process only occurs in green leaves of a plants. The food is prepared by the green leaves of a plant in form of a simple sugar called glucose. The food is prepared by the green leaves. You know, this is a green leaf. The food is prepared by green leaves in the form of sugar. In the form of sugar called glucose. The extra glucose is changed into another food called starch. This extra glucose changed into another food called starch. This starch is stored in leaves of the plant. On this starch is stored leaf of the plant. The green plant converts sunlight energy into chemical energy by making carbohydrates. This is a very important line and important fact of photosynthesis. Please keep in your mind. And the green plants convert sunlight energy. Here we can see here this diagram. The sunlight comes from sun. So this sunlight change into chemical energy by making carbohydrates. Okay, so solar energy, or we can say in other word, the solar energy convert the chemical energy by making carbohydrate. So this content is very important for class 7th standard from CBSE board. So we can revise here. Let us revise. Photosynthesis, you can note down. Photosynthesis is a food making process in plants from simple substance like carbon dioxide, water in presence of sunlight. Oxygen is released during photosynthesis. The process by which green plant make their own food like glucose from water and carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. This is a diagram of photosynthesis. Light energy comes from sun, carbon dioxide comes from air, chlorophyll presence in the air, and plants' roots absorb water and mineral from soil during this process of photosynthesis and oxygen release. Then solar energy or sun energy convert the energy into chemical energy and make a food as a carbohydrate. So the process of photosynthesis can be represented as some points given below. We can see here the process of photosynthesis take place in the green leaves of a plant. The food is prepared by the green leaves of a plant in the form of simple sugar called glucose. So the process of photosynthesis occurs in green leaves of a plant. Only green leaves prepare own food for plant, and green other parts of plants which are green, they are make a own food. The food is prepared by the green leaves of a plant in the form of a simple sugar is called glucose. The extra glucose is changed into another food called starch. This starch is stored in leaves of a plant. The green plants convert sunlight energy into chemical energy by making carbohydrate. So here we will finish this video. This is a very interesting facts and topics and about photosynthesis. Please increase your knowledge and enjoy with this video. This content very important for all class, but this content only for class 7, 6 standard. So you can easily learn this video and increase your knowledge and note down in your notebook. So please subscribe, like, share and press red button. Take care. God bless. Be safe. Stay in home and defeat to coronavirus and control yourself. Then defeat coronavirus. So think positive, do positive. God bless. Take care. Om Sai Ram.